Hello and welcome back to Forever Aesthetic, where we focus on fitness for those who are aiming to serve in law enforcement. Today we'll be diving into how to ace the prep test for future law enforcement officers. Let's get started. The prep or physical readiness evaluation for police consists of 4 stages. We have an obstacle course, we have a push and pull station, we have a hand grip test, and we also have a 20-meter shuttle run. Success here means you are ready for the physical demands of law enforcement. Let's go through some essential tips that you should know. Tip number 1, familiarize yourself with the test components. If you know the test components, you will save time and perform better on your test rather than solely relying on the instructor to guide you. Tip number 2, train in similar conditions. If you can, practice at a facility like ours, Forever Aesthetic. This is a functional test, so you need to make sure where you train is functional. Tip number 3, pace yourself. This test is about endurance, not just speed. You don't want to gas out by blitzing it right off the bat. You want to make sure you're maintaining a pace so you can finish strong. Let's move on to the exercises tailored for the prep test. Follow along as we demonstrate each one. For obstacle course training, practice agility ladder drills to improve footwork and coordination. These are important drills that will help you get faster and decrease your time on the circuit. In order to increase our strength to complete the push and pull machine, we need to work on a variety of chest presses and rows. Here's the correct form to maximize your effort. You want to make sure you're changing your presses different angles. You also want to make sure that you're hitting your rows from different angles using single arm as well, and changing your tools like using a sandbag. In order to increase your grip strength for the arm restraint simulator, you can use a tool like this one. You can also use tools like dumbbells to do wrist curls and wrist extensions. Make sure to start off light and work your way up. And for the shuttle run, interval training is key. Sprint for 20 seconds, then walk for 10 seconds. Repeat this cycle at least 10 minutes. Try to work your way up to 25 minutes. Programming is key here. After intense training, do not forget to cool down. Remember, stretching is vital to injury prevention and recovery. Remember, consistent practice and smart training are your best allies in acing the prep test. For personalized coaching, come visit us at Forever Aesthetic or drop a comment below with your questions. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more fitness insights. Train hard and stay safe.